Now the Aegir Smartpen does not come with any speaker or microphone, so the Livescribe Plus companion app records your audio session using the inbuilt microphone of your paired mobile device. When your Aegir Smartpen displays an active connection, that's the blue LED light on the status indicator, it is ready to start the pencast. To do this, simply tap the record pidget located on the bottom left page of your Livescribe notebook. You will notice almost immediately that the red bar has appeared on the app. That red bar tells you an active recording is in place. For illustration purposes, I am going to write some words so that you can hear this audio in sync with these notes later on. And just so you know, the app will recognize these notes as Pencast notes. At some point in time, you may pause your pencast by tapping on the pause pidget like this. See how the red bar blinks when the recording is paused? This means that any words I write now will not sync with what I've just said. And since these notes are not part of the pencast, the app will recognize this as regular notes. To resume, click the pause pidget again, and you may then continue to write while recording audio. In doing so, these notes written here will once again be in sync with the resume audio recording. And that means the app will recognize these as Pencast notes. And to complete your pencast, tap the stop pidget to end recording. Okay, so you've made your pencast. Here are several methods on how you can review them. First, you can view the pencast in the tab located after the feed and page tabs. Note that black ink are regular handwritten notes, while the green ink refers to pencast notes. Watch what happens when I tap play. You will notice almost immediately that the red bar has appeared on the app. That red bar tells you an active recording is in place. For illustration purposes, I am going to write some words so that you can hear this audio in sync with these notes later on. As you can see, the green ink traces over to show you what part of the audio has been mapped to your notes. Here's the second method of reviewing your pencast. If there is a specific area you want to hear, you can click directly to it like this. Once again, be in sync with the resume audio recording. And that means the app will recognize this as Pencast notes. In the third method, you can use your Aegir Smartpen to tap a section in your notebook to hear the corresponding audio. Thus, I am going to write some words so that you can hear this audio in sync with these notes later on. Now, to review all the pencasts you have made to date, you can access Pencast in the left panel of the app. You will notice almost immediately that the red bar has appeared on the app. That red bar tells you. You can share your pencast in various ways through the Livescribe Plus companion app on your paired mobile device. As an attachment to an email, here the Livescribe Plus companion app uses the default mail app to attach a PDF version of the pencast. If your mobile device is set up to print wirelessly, you can also send the pencast to print. Another nifty feature is to save the Pencast as a video, and here you can see the options available as well as the ability to export into QuickTime Movie or MPEG 4. You can also share your Pencast to cloud or note services such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote and OneNote. And with that, we have come to the end of our video. Have any questions? Come by our Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn and send us a message.